This is the golden milk that will do wonders for your body. 1 cup of this drink a day will reduce bloating, inflammation, muscle pain, bone pain, menstrual pain, and even insomnia problems. Today, I will teach you how to prepare this delicious drink in less than a minute. First, we will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, ½ teaspoon of ginger powder, and a pinch of black pepper, which will increase the anti-inflammatory power of the turmeric by 20 times. Place all the ingredients in a container and mix well. Now in a pot, place 2 cups of your preferred milk and cook over medium heat. You can use regular milk or plant-based milk, such as almond milk. Before it starts to boil, lower the heat and add the mixture we have prepared earlier and cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. While stirring, you will see how it quickly begins to take on a beautiful golden color. How to drink it. Serve a cup of this hot drink and add a teaspoon of honey. You should drink 1 cup a day, preferably at night before going to bed. This drink not only has a delicious flavor, but will also help you sleep like a baby. And its anti-inflammatory properties will help reduce all kinds of body pains, even those caused by arthritis. It is also recommended for women who suffer from severe menstrual cramps. If you like easy and natural recipes, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. Thanks for your support.